What would you do if your 4-year-old child couldn't run, play, or even walk normally? Today, we're sharing an incredible story of hope, medical expertise, and a little boy's journey back to childhood joy. Meet little Aryan, a bright, energetic 4-year-old who should have been running around playgrounds and chasing butterflies. But instead of laughter and play, his days were filled with pain and limitation. Aryan's parents first noticed something was wrong when he was just learning to walk properly. His knee would suddenly give way, causing him to fall and cry in pain. What started as occasional incidents became a daily struggle.
Every time he tried to run or play with other children, his kneecap would slip out of place. We watched our little boy become afraid of his own body. He stopped wanting to play, stopped running. It broke our hearts.
We visited multiple doctors, tried physiotherapy, braces, medications. Nothing seemed to work. The dislocations kept happening, sometimes multiple times a day.
Aryan was suffering from recurrent patella dislocation, a condition where the kneecap repeatedly slips out of its normal position. For a 4-year-old, this wasn't just painful, it was stealing his childhood. After months of searching for answers, Aryan's parents heard about Dr. Gaurav Jain, a renowned orthopedic surgeon specializing in complex pediatric knee conditions.
We had almost given up hope. But when we heard about Dr. Jain's expertise with children's knee problems, we knew we had to try one more time.
The consultation that would change everything was about to begin.
When I first examined Aryan, I could see the impact of this condition was having on both him and his family. Recurrent patella dislocation in such a young child is challenging but not insurmountable. In Aryan's case, we were dealing with multiple anatomical factors contributing to the problem. The patella or the kneecap was unstable due to several structural issues that needed to be addressed simultaneously.
Dr. Jain explained that traditional approaches often address only one aspect of the problem, leading to continued issues.
What Aryan needed was what we call a 4-in-1 procedure, a comprehensive surgical approach that addresses multiple causative factors in a single operation. This includes medial patellofemoral ligament reconstruction, lateral release, tibial tubercle transfer, and trochleoplasty. By addressing all these factors together, we give Aryan the best chance for a complete recovery.
Dr. Jain explained everything so clearly. For the first time in months, we felt hope. He didn't just see a medical condition. He saw our son's future.
The decision wasn't easy. Surgery on such a young child is always daunting for parents.
Dr. Jain was so patient with all our questions and fears. He explained every risk, every benefit, and made sure we understood that this comprehensive approach was Aryan's best shot at a normal childhood.
With pediatric patients, precision and expert experience are everything. The 4-in-1 procedure requires meticulous planning and execution, but when done correctly, the results can be truly life-changing.
After careful consideration and preparation, the surgery was scheduled. On surgery day, Dr. Jain and his team performed the complex 4-in-1 procedure with remarkable precision.
The surgery went exactly as planned. Each component of 4-in-1 procedure was completed successfully. We reconstructed the stabilizing ligament, released the tight lateral structures, repositioned the tubercle, and reshaped the trochlear groove. Aryan's kneecap now has the stability it needed.
What had taken months of pain and limitation to develop was corrected in a single, comprehensive procedure. The first few weeks after surgery were crucial for healing.
Aryan was such a brave little patient. We started with gentle range of motion exercises and gradually built up his strength. Children heal remarkably well when given the right surgical foundation.
Even in those early days, we could see the difference. No more sudden dislocations, no more crying in pain. He was still recovering, but we knew something fundamental had changed.
The real magic happened in the weeks and months that followed.
Aryan's recovery has been absolutely remarkable. The 4-in-1 procedure has given him the complete stability. Look at this. Full range of motion, no pain, no instability. This is exactly the outcome we hoped for.
Look, I can run fast now. My knee doesn't hurt anymore.
Our little boy is back. He's running, playing, laughing. Everything we dreamed of. Dr. Jain didn't just fix his knee. He gave us our son's childhood back.
The transformation is incredible. From a child who was afraid to move to one who can't sit still. It's like watching a miracle unfold.
Aryan's case demonstrates the power of comprehensive surgical planning. The 4-in-1 procedure addresses the recurrent patella dislocation rather than just treating symptoms. What makes this approach special is that we are not just preventing future dislocations, we are giving children the biomechanical foundation for a lifetime of normal activity. The key is addressing all contributing factors simultaneously.
This isn't just about one successful surgery. It's about advancing pediatric orthopedic care and giving hope to families facing similar challenges. Today, Aryan is everything a 4-year-old should be: active, playful, and completely pain-free.
People ask us if we ever worry about his knee now. Honestly, we don't even think about it anymore. He's just a normal, happy child.
I love playing. I can run really fast and jump really high.
Dr. Jain didn't just perform surgery. He performed a miracle. Our family's life has been completely transformed.
Every child deserves to experience the joy of movement without pain or fear. When we can combine advanced surgical techniques with precision in care, we can truly change lives.
Aryan's story is a testament to the power of specialized medical expertise, innovative surgical techniques, and the resilience of the human spirit. From pain to play, from limitation to limitless possibility, this is what happens when cutting-edge medicine meets compassionate care.
If you are dealing with pediatric orthopedic challenges, know that solution exists. Don't lose hope. Sometimes the right approach can change everything.
If this story inspired you, please like and share to help other families who might be facing similar challenges. For more information about pediatric orthopedic care, check the links in our description.